Right now, we're seeing a significant divergence in sentiment within the finance sector. With a sentiment score of minus 0.06, it's critical to note that this is below historical norms, indicating a shift in market perceptions. Meanwhile, momentum is showing a healthy increase at plus 0.19, suggesting a potential underlying strength despite the negative sentiment. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deeper into market sentiment trends. Imagine integrating this data into your trading algorithms to identify potential buy signals when sentiment is low but momentum is rising. This could give you an edge in spotting undervalued opportunities. For more insights like this, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make your next project smarter with precise sentiment analysis.